So I made the waifu tier list a little while ago. I've taken a break from making videos momentarily, you know, because I've been doing stuff in my real life, you know. And I was trying to think of what's something to come back with, and a certain IRL friend of mine, who shall remain nameless, told me, "Hey, Seka, where's the new waifu tier list?" What I'm gonna do is this. This is gonna be a two-step process. So the way that this process is going to work is that I'm going to go through the master list that I have already made, and I'm going to fix some things, change around some things. You know, a man grows, then add new stuff. Alright, so let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, so these stay the same, basically. I think that goes there. Now, this is kind of a toss-up. Where should I put Tsukasa? I think Tsukasa's fine. Shoko. Okay. Actually, yeah. The two Yuhori characters together. They're both same Seiyu, if you didn't know. This is the correct order for these characters. Shichimiya, it's alright that she's right there. Miko Ino, yeah. Hinata, Power. Yeah, it's alright. Chika, Himeno. I don't know why that's like that. She's here kind of like a formality. Okay, the rest of that's fine. Alright. So, let's start with the first new character. I'm not gonna spend too long on this. Yeah, it's fine. Alright. Darkness. I'm not that big a fan of Darkness. I think she's there. Speaking of Darkness, Megumi. This is contentious. You know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's fine. There we go. I really like Megumi. Recently, like, I don't know why, I've just gotten back into her as a character. Alright, C2. There's not much. Celti's really good. Put Celti right there. Let's see. I'm only doing characters that I actually care about. Ah, Asuna! This is gonna make some people mad. No, I can't do it. She's there though. Colin. I have to do it to him. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Ayanami Rei. There. Tsunade. We can do Reimi Sugimoto from part 4 of JoJo. Pretty good. Not really characterized that well. Senko. I don't really care. So, Hachikuji. Mayoi Hachikuji. Araragi Karen. Leagues above Yukisuro. Okay. Alright, Orgi. I really like Orgi Yoshino. I don't know what that says about me. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Tsuki Ononoki. I'm not the biggest fan. Where's Skihi? I'm not gonna write Sodachi because I've only just recently seen that part, so. Alright, Skihi. Where is Karen? Probably, yeah. That show scares me. I'm scared of horrid men. Like, that show gives me the willies. Should I rate Kirino from Orimo? What kind of channel do I want to be? Do I want to be legit or do I want to be mainstream? Let's do it. I feel like her character could have been handled better development-wise. I mean, the archetype that she was particularly filling, like, I got the point of it, but, like, I feel like they didn't, like, execute it properly. I'll do okay now, because we did, I don't hate Migolino, by the way. Lisa! Joseph's mom from JoJo. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Toradora bias, by the way. In full effect. Alright, so there's Nokotan, there's whatchamacallit, Dan characters. Oh. Let's do Alia right now. Alia, let's see. I mean, I guess. Just kind of, that series is kind of generic. Here's the thing that I don't like about that series. Is like, yeah, the dub is funny, right? Like, yeah, it's cool, but like, I don't like the idea of dubs just being abridges now. Like, can you, like, adapt the show? And yeah, I know, like, it is adapting, but, like... So there's this thing, right? Where when you become an otaku for a little while, you gain this, heightened... I'm not gonna say, like, full immunity, but heightened immunity to cringe. You know what you're watching is, like, kind of corny, but you're fine with it. And you forgive a whole lot of crap. So it doesn't physically affect me the way that it would normally, because my brain has been destroyed by this stuff, but I still recognize it. That, you know, it should at least take itself seriously to some degree. I don't really get the idea of Masha. I'm sorry. I'm not with it. You're Forger. This is Japanese repopulation propaganda. I'm falling for it. Okay. No, I'm not gonna say that. I would get demonetized. Kobeni. Goes there. Makima. Here's the thing. It didn't work on me. I am immune. This level of this genjutsu doesn't work on me. This is my champion. I am a Himeno supporter. I am not a Makima supporter. She is a pretty good villain, to be honest, though. But no, not as a waifu. I will not. No. I have integrity. Jolene? Should I consider Jolene a waifu? Sure. Why not? Jolene Kujo. The 6th JoJo. Very good. Suzy Q. Joseph's wife. Holly's mom. Josuke's aunt. No, not aunt. What the hell would she be? No, Joseph's wife. Not really that interesting of a character. Just looking around. Oh, we have Tonikawa Kawaii characters. Okay, we gotta do these. So, Kaname. Or no, this is Aya. Kaname's sister. She alright. She's like right there. Her hair's bright yellow. How the hell did I lose her? I guess like stuff has shifted. There we go. Chitose. Chitose. Whenever it's a Chitose chapter, it's either like a, or it's like slightly more interesting. More interesting as a character than Aya, at least. There we go. The best of this block. there's Tomoko Higashikata, Josuke's mom from part 4, because, you know, part 8 hasn't been animated yet. I don't know if you've noticed. Yeah, it's good. Trish Una from part 5. One of the only part 5 characters to survive, spoiler alert. You know, they kind of look the same too, or they look similar. Let's see, I think I got everything I wanted to talk about. Oh, from your name. Take that, Mari. Take that. Well, you're okay, I guess. She's okay, I guess. I'm not gonna write Horimiya characters because they unsettle me. That series is cursed. Oh, where is the Watakoi characters? Where are they? Where are the Watakoi characters? Have I ranked them? I have not. So where are they? Where is it? Where did they, like... What are they, chopped liver? Oh, there's K-On characters. I'll do K-On and then we can end this, because I don't want to find the Watakoi characters. There's Ritsu. Look. Voiced by Cassandra Lee Morris automatically makes it like A and above. Ritsu. Yui. It's alright. Alright. So, let's see. Wow. Alright. Alright. So, let's go through this list. Let me explain everything that's new. Mayoi Hashikuji, S+ tier. I'm gonna move some stuff around, by the way. No, this is fine. Okay. Alright, so Mayoi Hachikuji, S+ tier. Because, you know. Asuna from Sword Art Online, S+ tier. It's top tier. I don't know how else to say it. Ononoki, S tier in between these two. Amelia, Ogi, Karen, Skihi, Kidna. These are all new. Jolene, Tsunade, Lisa, Your Forger, Tomoko Higashikata, Senko, Kobeni, Megumi, Trish, Raimi, Suzy Q, Alia, or Elisa, Masha, C2, Colin, chick from Your Name, I forgot her name, Ritsu, Yuri, Darkness, Celti from Durara, Rei Ayanami, Umko from Naruto, Kaname from and Chitose and Aya from Tonikawa Kawaii, Makima from Chainsaw Man, and Kirino from Orimo, otherwise known as My Little Sister Can't Be This Cute. So, I don't need to defend this. I don't need to defend this. This is just objective. This is good. Screenshot this, because this is set in stone. Here's something I need to mention, though. Where the hell are the You're Under Arrest characters? Where are they? These two. Where are they on this list? Listen to the dub of You're Under Arrest, of the OVA movie, whatever. Listen to the dub. I don't know if I'm willing to admit that because that's really embarrassing, but just hoping that you'll understand if you listen to it yourself. Take my word on this. But yeah, that's the list. If you disagree with it, then you're just dumb.